Hello students, today we will learn greater than, lesser than sign and equal to sign, right? This mouth sign, this mouth shape sign, in this side should be always bigger number than other, okay? And this side, this is shorter number than this, okay? Suppose there are two number in the right side and the right side. There is 2 and there is 1. So 2 is bigger than 1, na? So we will put this mouth sign in the two side, okay? And this sign is also called as greater than and lesser than. So we can read it as 2 is greater than 1 and 1 is lesser than 2, right? If the both side are equal, we will put the equal to sign, right? So meet the alligator. This is mouth of alligator, okay? This alligator loves to eat more and more number only, okay? So tell me which number will he eat? In this side there is ones, tens, 100, 1000. In this side ones, tens, 100. So always 1000 number is greater than 100 number, right? So we will put this sign in like this. Is this correct? Right, very good. So we will put this sign between this number. So 2145 is greater than 510. Okay. Next, 4521, 4321. Oh, thousand number are the same. 4000, 4000. So how can we define difference between this? Okay. So ones, tens, 100, 1000. Ones, tens, 100, 1000. So in 100 position there is 5 and in 100 position in this number there is 3. So which is the bigger number than 5 and 3? Yes, it's 5. So we can put this sign like this, na? So 4521 is greater than 4321, right? Like this. Very good. So 7561 and in this side 7534. So which is the number which is bigger number than other? Ones, tens, 100, 1000. Ones, tens, 100, 1000. So in 1000 they are same, na? 7 7. And in 100 position they are same, 5 5. And in 10 position they are difference, right? Which is the bigger than other? 3 or 6? 3 or 6? Yes, it's 6. So we can put this sign like this, right? Is this correct? Yes. So we can put this sign between this, right? Okay, next. In here, ones, tens, 100, 9521, 9525. Oh, they are very same. So in one position, in 1000 position they are 9 in both side. In 100 position they are 5 in both side. In tens position they are same, 2 in both side. And in one position there is 1 and there is 5. So which is the bigger number than other? Yes, it's 5. So we can put this sign like this, na? Yes, very good. Okay, there is 5291. There is 5291. Ones, tens, 100,000. Ones, tens, 100,000. They are same, na? In one position, in tens position, in 100 position and in 1000 position. So we will put this sign between this. Understand? Equal to, because left side and right side are the same. They are equal, right? In there is 4 shampoos in there and there is 1 shampoo in there. So which alligator mouth will eat more and more number, loves to eat more and more number only, na? So alligator mouth will be in this side or this side? Tell me which side. Yes, it's in 4 side. This alligator mouth loves to eat more and more numbers, na? There is only 1, there is 4. So we will put this sign between this. It means this is bigger than, greater than this, and this is lesser than this. Understood? Okay, bye bye children.